friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do the very trending clean girl makeup look. This is the kind of makeup I used to wear to office on a daily basis before the lockdown started. It's a very easy makeup to do, and not only for office, you can wear it to any occasion. Without further delay, let's move into the video. For the lip balm, I am going to the Laneige lip sleeping mask in the shade Berry. So for the moisturizer, I am going to use the MAC strobing cream in the shade Pink Light. This is a very good moisturizer with a hint of highlight in it. I even tried substitutes of this strobing cream, but what I like about this is that it is really moisturizing along with the glow it gives to the skin. Also, it has a very pleasant fragrance which I really like. Usually I don't prefer fragrance in my skincare, but I like the fragrance of this strobing cream. And you can see that my skin has become very glowing and it looks really nice. And for the eye cream, I am going to use the vitamin E under eye cream from the Body Shop. And to be honest, my skin is not young skin, it is a aging skin, so I need to take that extra step before the makeups, otherwise my skin will become really dry and really dull looking. The primer which I would like to use today is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth one, because this gives really a good hydration, an extra step of hydration, so that my skin will not look dull. So I would like to apply this primer on the center portion of my face, where I have maximum pores and fine lines. Can you see? Yeah, this is a glow which I really need before my foundation. For the clean makeup look, people use a BB cream or just a concealer and that's it. But I would like to use a very low coverage foundation, which is the K Beauty's hydrating foundation. This is in the shade 130Y, which is suitable for my skin tone, and this is a very low coverage foundation, so it gives a natural finish. That is why I like this foundation for a daily wear. So what I feel about the clean girl makeup look is that it is actually the nude everyday makeup look that we usually do, but just that the name is new. So it is a trending topic, and I don't know how many videos I have watched by different YouTubers, and all are looking fabulous, and this is the kind of look which I also like to do on a daily basis. So as you can see that it doesn't give a very high coverage, but still my skin looks really nice. So now let's move on to the concealer. Actually, for clean makeup look, I think the concealer is not required, but I have dark circles and I have really bad pigmentation around my eyes, so I would like to use a concealer, and the best concealer for my skin tone is the MAC Studio Finish Concealer, and this is in the shade NW35, and I am going to apply it around my eyes. So I think that this concealer works the best with the finger, because it gets melted down with the warmth on our finger, so I like to apply it with my finger. And I apply it all over my lid as well, because I have pigmentation there also. So this is a wonderful product, and I think that this is the best concealer I have ever used. It's very comfortable and it is high coverage, and it gives really nice finish after I apply it and set it with the powder. It has covered my dark circles really nicely. I have tried many other concealers, but this is the best concealer I have ever used, and this is my second purchase, and so you can see that it really works for me. So for setting this concealer, I would like to use the Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is a loose powder, and I am in the shade medium. I really love this because it doesn't make my under eyes look cakey, and it doesn't give a dry patchy look. It really sits well. So I am going to apply very little only around my eyes where I applied the concealer. This MAC concealer along with this powder gives the flawless finish. Even in real, I really like this finish, because nobody can say that I have applied makeup on my skin. It is that much natural. So that's it for the base makeup. Let's move on to the eyes. For the brows, I like to use my Sugar Cosmetics Arch Arrival Brow Definer. This is in the shade 04 Felix Onyx, I think that is the name. It's a beautiful product. This is also my second purchase, and you can see that most of the products which I am using are my second purchases, and I love all of them. Apart from lipsticks, I don't have a collection of other products. I don't buy so many of foundations or concealers or brow pencils, all of that. Only the thing which I have in excess is lipstick. So this gives a really natural finish. I like to do it in a very natural way. I don't like to go really heavy on my brows because it doesn't suit my face. So this is the only filling which I do, and it looks really nice and natural. So I think that's all. Anyway, my brows are in two different positions. I cannot help it, but this is the best I can do for a natural looking brows, and I'm satisfied. Eyeshadow is not a must, but I would like to use one, and that is from this Nika's palette. This is the double chocolate chip palette from Nika Just Wink It. And this is a beautiful product. I don't know, many people don't talk about this. I like all the shades, and it is really usable and very nicely pigmented. The blendability is good. Everything is good about this product, as well as it comes with a mirror. I'm sorry that it got transferred onto the mirror as well, but I'm going to use this shade, which is a peachy brown shade. I think this will suit my skin tone very nicely, and it is closest to my skin tone. So I am going to apply it all over my lid. I am not going to do a outer V or anything like that. Just apply simply that color all over my lid. This is one of the best palettes I have found in this range. It is not too cheap or inexpensive. It is around 1500, I think, and it is very easy to carry because it's very tiny, and it has all the shades that is good for a festive makeup look as well as a natural neutral makeup. So this is one thing which I travel with because I don't have to carry too many bulky products. So I really love this. So for the upper lash line, I am going to use the Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner. Very thin line. I am not going to make it thick or winged liner, just defining the natural lash line as it is, so that my eyes will really look defined. I daily apply my eyeliner like this only. I don't go bold. Sometimes I like to apply kajal. That day I really go bold, but otherwise this is the makeup look I like on my eyes. So that's it for the eyes, and let me apply some mascara to finish the eye makeup. So the mascara which I am going to apply is the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. This gives a good volume and it gives a natural finish. That is why it is not heavy, and this is the washable version. I never buy the waterproof version because I don't like to struggle when I want to take off my mascara. So washable version is the best for me. For the face, I am going to use the Sugar Cosmetics Contour The Force palette. This is in the shade Fierce Feet. I think this is a very strong color palette for me because I don't need this much one. The Subtle Summit one is the best for me, but unfortunately I bought this, and no problem, I'm going to try this. I'm going to apply a little bit of contour around my nose as well as my cheekbones so that it looks chiseled. This color is little bit strong for me, but okay, it is blending really well. I think this is fine. For the blush, I would like to go with the MAC Pinch Me Sheer Tone Blush. This is a pink blush, but I think this is very good for the Indian skin tone. This is not a very on the face kind of shade because the pigmentation is really medium for this. It is not like the K-beauty blushes which are really overboard when we apply it with a heavy hand, but this can be applied easily because it doesn't give that kind of pigmentation. So I'm going to apply it on my cheekbones. It gives a very subtle color. I like this kind of blushes more than heavily pigmented ones. Matte blushes are really good, and only thing is that it lasts for a long time and I just get fed up of using the same product again and again. But I really love this blush, that is why I'm not feeling like getting rid of this. Anyway, I'm really happy with the kind of glow it gives on the cheek. Now let's do a little bit of highlighting, and highlighter is not a must anyway. Already my skin is really glowing, but I would like to add a little bit more. So from this sugar palette I'm going to use this highlighter. This highlighter is a very subtle one. It doesn't show up too much on the skin. Actually this makeup look takes really 10 minutes, but since I'm talking and shooting, it takes more time for me. Otherwise I can just finish it in 10 minutes, flat 10 minutes. It doesn't take more than that. I think this is a kind of makeup that everyone should know, so that if we want to dress up a little bit, you can do this, and you can even switch up the colors. Maybe you can use some color on the eyelids or on the lips, so that it will take you from a day look to a night look. So this is our face makeup is complete, eye makeup is complete. Now only the thing which is left is lipstick. So I have two options for my lipsticks. Both are kind of neutral shades. One is the Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha, and the next one is the NYX lip cream in the soft matte lip cream in the shade Rome. This is slightly more nude than this one for my skin tone, so I will try to apply this one so that it will give a very subtle finish, and let us see after that. I think that looks really nice. What do you think? So let's see the final look. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please also press the bell icon so that you will get notifications whenever I upload a video. And this is the final look. I really love this makeup. So that's all from me today. Till I come up with my next video, take care and bye bye.